The body of 4-year-old Tej Laxmi Moirangthem, who drowned in Imphal River on the evening of November 17th last at Kairang, was found by SDRF team this morning. The girl was a resident of Khurai Larigengbam Laikai, Imphal. 21-year-old Manipuri cyclist G. Ingobi Singtham, who started off a lone cycle ride to 7 East Asian countries on August 3 last, had reached Singapore yesterday. Further, he is heading to Vietnam, Laos, Thailand and Myanmar. A sensitization on Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program was organized yesterday at Sarchif District Panchayati Resource Center, Tarpi Lang in Mizoram. The program was aimed at members of village councils and leaders of self-help groups, according to media reports. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a flagship program of Government of India introduced in 2015, and its overall goal is to celebrate the girl child and enable her education. The Ministry of Home Affairs wanted proposal from the state to strengthen the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. The state cabinet has sent 7 proposals to the MHA, media report said.